Interest rate is the price of money. It's basically the rent your money charges you for borrowing it. No cap. Borrow money, you pay interest. Save money, you gain interest. And the central bank? They're like the CEO of vibes. They set the base rate, and every other rate just follows the leader. High versus low rates. When rates are high, borrowing is pain, but saving slaps. Your savings account finally eats. When rates are low, borrowing is cheap, but saving mid. Interest can be your teammate for the glow-up, or a savage status effect draining your wallet every turn. Credit cards. Think of credit cards like a polite loan from the ape bank. It's the bank saying, "We trust you, bro. Just don't fumble." You swipe, you feel like the main character, but if you don't pay off that balance in full, on time, interest shows up in steel-toe boots, ready to dropkick your budget off a cliff. And the rates? Most credit cards sit over 20%. That's not, oops, I forgot my wallet expensive. That's Donkey Kong Mafia expensive. Oh, and the minimum payment? That's a finesse trap, designed to keep you standing, but never free. You'll be paying forever, while the bank's sipping lattes. Compound interest. Here's why everyone stands compound interest. Compound interest means you're making interest on interest you already made. Stacks on stacks. When you're saving, it's your stacks going to the gym while you sleep. But when you're in debt, it's giving final boss energy. You borrowed $10K on a 20% credit card? Congrats! You just signed up for exponential loss. Why are you like this? Time and interest equals exponential growth. Either you're stacking $100 bills, or your debt is stacking you. And remember, time and interest equals a financial glow-up, or a savage clapback on your wallet. If you enjoyed, hit that sub button like it owes you money.